Good day, learners. I'm glad to have you join me for another meaningful session. I hope you're ready to explore new ideas and gain insights that will help you in your learning journey. So let's start this video lesson by answering this guessing game. So you need to guess the word based on the clues provided. Let's start with easy level. Clue number one. So it starts with letter B and ends with letter L. It is a plan that shows how a company makes money. Okay, so any guess? So let's proceed to the moderate level. It describes how a company creates, delivers, and captures value. Without it, a business cannot run successfully. And of course, our last clue, it is a strategic framework that, that explains how an organization earns revenue, sustains its operation. It is often shown using tools like Canvas, letter glue, BU, and then you have BUNML. Any guess? Hmm. Okay, so if your guess is business model, then you are correct. Okay, so let's talk about now the description of business model. So a business model is an explanation of how you deliver value to your customers and, of course, at your appropriate cost. So, this includes descriptions of the product or services that you plan to sell, who your target market is, and any required expenses. It serves as the basis for developing financial forecasts, setting milestone, and setting a baseline for viewing your business plan. So, in short, it refers to a company's plan for making a profit. Okay, how to do it? Um, this model identifies the products or services that business plan to sell. It also identifies target market and any anticipated expenses. These models are important for both new and established businesses. So to further understand this business model, let's talk about now no, a tool on how uh, to come up with a strategic framework. So it is by the use of a business model canvas. So it is a simple tool that helps entrepreneurs and companies plan how their business works. It shows how a company creates, delivers, and earns value in one clear page. Yes, it is true. This model canvas is a one clear page. Okay, with this particular page, you can now create, delivers, and earn value, no, of whatever offering you want. Okay, this one clear page, no, is your plan or company's plan, no, on how your business will work in the future. So this business model canvas divided into 9 building blocks, and these are the following. Ayan. From customer to cost structure. So we're going to discuss it later one by one. Okay, now why is it business model canvas is important? We have three reasons. Number one, now, this BMC, or the business model canvas will give you, the bigger picture of how your company operates. Also, it will help you identify your strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for growth. It also serves, no, as your map or guide toward building a successful and sustainable business. So these are the elements of business model canvas. And let's talk about each part by part. Let's proceed by key activities. From the word itself, these are the activities that you need to perform in order to deliver value propositions to your customer. So in short, these are the things that you need to do. Okay, for example, in this particular business, it is about music stream. So their key activities are the following: website development and maintenance, music library management. Of course, they need to develop and maintain Now, their website, because this website is a library of the music for their music stream. That's why the key activities are the following: development, maintenance, and management. Next, the key resources naman uh, are the main inputs or assets the business uses to function effectively. So these are your resources to help you to function your business. Of course, you need equipment like computers or whatever equipments that you need depending on the nature of your business. Building, wedding store, of course, employees, so on and so forth. Next, business or key partners from the word itself. These are your business partners. Okay? These are your alliance. No? The purpose of these partners is to help you to carry out your business objective. This is also the place to consider your suppliers or pwede rin na manufacturer, mga intermediaries, to help you carry out whatever your plan. Okay. Next is the value propositions. This is, it could be a statement or a bullet uh, value of your offerings. Now you need to answer this question in filling out this portion. Why should the customer buy your product or service? So therefore, you need to write down here the benefits the customer will receive and why the company is the best choice for them. These are the examples. Of course, the value propositions will depend on your offering. Next, customer relationships. So it shows how a company plans to attract new customers. Also, it is the plan, no, on plan how to convert them or your customer to returning client. And this will help you increase your revenue. Examples are promotions. Example two, buy one, get one, 20% off, 50% off, or it could be uh, your customer service with them. Loyalty program. Okay? For the customer segment is very easy. These are the people or the intended people, audience of your business. Next, channel naman. It's very easy. This section, you need to write here, the place, where to reach your product or service. For example, in this particular uh, model canvas, since it is music stream, of course, their music must be available in App Store, Google Play, so on and so forth. Next, revenue streams naman. This particular portion, will you need to reveal, in this section, how does the company make money from, of course, the cost from your customer segment. For example, since they are music stream, no, they will make money through premium, subscriptions. Okay, another thing is that from advertising or through partnership, they can earn money. And then, of course, the last one is the cost structure. So this is opposite of the revenue stream. So if the revenue streams, will make money, this one naman is yung expenses, no? So these are the money, that your business spends on operation. What else? Of course, the cost, of whatever the product is. And of course, how cost driven are you? Um, you need to take note, that these are the expenses. You need to write down here, the expenses for the operation and of course others. No, in this particular matter, no, you need to prepare a cost structure for your employees. Ano, ang tawag doon ay salary of your employees. What else? Um, it could be operation cost, no licensing or any copyright matter if you need it. Okay, so that's all for this business model canvas. So for those students who were absent during the time that we tackled this topic, so this is your chance to submit your written work number 7, and you need to do it today. Write it on your notebook and then send it to me, no? Give me the picture lang, no? Send sa akin. So you need to please yung this scenario or situation in their correct box. For example, number 1, saan mo yan ilalagay in this particular business model canvas? Copyhin mo lang siya. So therefore, gagawa ka muna ng canvas or ng model mo ito sa notebook mo bago mo siya mailagay sa tamang box. Pagkalagay mo na, balikan mo rito, copyhin mo siya sa tamang box. So sa mga tapos na po, ito ang gagawin natin. This is group work. No, name it as performance task number 4. Ulitin ko, performance, this is performance task number 5, sorry. Performance task number 5, ang gagawin niyo po by group, leaders makinig, kayo ay mag-brainstorm. No, yung assignment na pinagawa ko sa inyo noong nakaraan, pinagawa ko kayo ng individual business model canvas on your approved product idea. Okay? So, once na nasa na yung leader, you need now to finalize your output. So, for example, 10 kayo na members from uh, 10 business model canvas, you need to reduce it into one output. Okay? So, pag nagawa nyo na to, piprint nyo to, pasa nyo sa akin kung kailan mag-resume yung klase. May kasama nito, you need to capture the screenshot of your conversation. That includes the conversation to complete the canvas. Attach it as your evidence. Okay? So after nito, ng lecture, kayo po ay pupunta sa inyong sarili-sariling GC, mag-uusap ng final output dito. Lahat ng convo ninyo, piprint nyo kasama sa pagpasa. Ito rin. This will serve as your rubric. Okay? So, this concludes our video lesson. Thank you for your time and attention. Until next time, keep learning and improving.